Stock number 6242 for sale by consignment at Classic Auto Mall is a 3-owner 1978 Mercedes-Benz 450SL with absolutely gleaming ruby red metallic paint. It has a 4.5 V8 with a Bosch Jetonic fuel injection system rated at 180 horsepower with a 3-speed automatic transmission and power disc brakes all around. This Mercedes has 17-inch BBS wheels, giving it a more compact wheelbase and wider track than the original version, and it has independent suspension with coil springs on all 4 corners, plus twin exhaust and a single catalytic converter. Classic Auto Mall has more than 1,000 cars for sale via consignment in our massive climate-controlled showroom in Morgantown, Pennsylvania. Classic Auto Mall's inventory is fluid and vehicles described may not be available at time of broadcast. Classic Auto Mall, a great place to buy or sell a car through consignment because it's safe, easy, and secure. Plus, we advertise, sell, and ship worldwide. Easily search for your next Classic at classicautomall.com.